In this video, we're going to talk about other ways to format lettering and edit lettering. For example, if you've misspelled a word, of course you can always open up Object Properties, but you can also select the lettering, click on the lettering icon in the Digitize toolbox, click inside the word that you want to edit, and then insert the letter that is needed and press Enter. And that will generate the corrected lettering. Now let's open up Object Properties and talk about other ways to edit lettering. After you have generated the lettering, you may just change your mind about the font style. You can always select a different style of font from the list and then click on Apply, and the lettering will update. Another way you may wish to change lettering is to add italics to the lettering. And by increasing the value in the italics section and clicking Apply, you can get the letters to lean to the right, or if you use a negative value, they will lean to the left. You can enter a value between 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees. If you wish to make lettering bold, you can also make this change to lettering. I'm going to double click on the lettering, go to my Effects button in the lower left-hand corner, go to the Others tab and change the pull compensation to 0.4 or 0.6. When I apply this, the lettering gets thicker or bolder. I'll go back to the property bar. And another way we may want to change the lettering is the justification. And the justification is the way the lettering aligns to the baseline. The default is to have the letters justify to the left, but if I want them to justify to the right, I simply select that icon and click on Apply. If I want them to be center justified, I select the center justification and click on Apply. And if I want them to be fully justified, I select that icon and click on Apply, and the letter will respace for the full justification. You may also want to edit lettering by applying a different stitch type. And I'm going to increase the size of the lettering beyond a certain point. Of course, the satin stitches are not going to be successful with wide lettering. I can click on Fancy Fill, and then that particular fill is going to be added to the lettering. I can also select Step Fill for larger letters.